Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, just a quick story. You know, he used to speak to, he had the mantiq of tayr, so he could speak to insects and birds. So there was this ant, and he noticed that the ant was eating wheat. So he asks the ant, he says, how many grains of wheat do you go through every year? So the ant goes, you know, ant is super tiny, he goes 2. So Sulaiman goes, I got you, you know, here's 2, and inshallah I'll be back next year, and I'll give you another 2. Sulaiman alayhi salam, you know, trying to play God. Astaghfirullah. So the ant goes, okay, deal. Sulaiman alayhi salam goes, disappears for a year, and you know, a year from then comes back with 2 grains. Comes, and to his surprise, the ant has only consumed 1 grain. So he asks her, he says, I thought you said you consume 2 a year. So the ant says, when I was depending on Allah, yes, I would consume 2. But when now my dependence is on you, I was worried that you would forget me. So I ate 1.